Make bedtimes the best times with Bookosmia's Goodnight Stories. For kids, by kids.
19-year-old Gargi shared a story about the health-conscious town of Remedyville, where Dr. Pill and Nurse Syrup were beloved healers, always ready to solve medical mysteries. The duo sprang into action when Miss Dandelion fell mysteriously ill, and her vitamins vanished. Following tiny footprints to find the culprit, I realized it was the Mischievous Microbe Gang. They caught the tiny troublemakers with a clever trap and a nutrient-packed decoy. They restored Miss Dandelion's health, proving that no mystery was too tricky for Remedyville's finest healers. In the charming little town of Remedyville, where health was a way of life and even the baker sprinkled vitamins in his bread, lived two beloved healers, Dr. Pill and Nurse Syrup. Dr. Pill, with his crisp white coat and round glasses, was a genius in diagnosing ailments, while Nurse Syrup, with her warm smile and soothing touch, had a knack for making even the grumpiest patients feel better. Together, they made an unstoppable team. One bright morning, as the clinic doors opened, Miss Dandelion stumbled in. Her cheeks were pale, her energy low, and her usual bubbly demeanor replaced by sluggish movements. "Dr. Pill, Nurse Syrup, I need your help," she cried. "Sit down, Miss Dandelion," Nurse Syrup said gently, handing her a glass of herbal tea. "Tell us what is wrong." "I have been feeling so tired lately," Miss Dandelion explained. "I have been taking my vitamins daily, but they do not work. In fact, this morning, I found my vitamin jars completely empty." Dr. Pill adjusted his glasses and leaned forward. "Empty, you say? That is peculiar." Nurse Syrup grabbed the medical kit. "We are going to investigate." The three hurried to Miss Dandelion's garden, a colorful patch filled with vegetables, herbs, and a small wooden shelf where she kept her vitamin jars. Sure enough, the jars were tipped over, their contents gone. Nearby, Dr. Pill spotted something unusual: tiny footprints in the dirt leading toward the forest. He murmured, inspecting the prints. "These are the work of the Mischievous Microbe Gang. They've been known to steal nutrients for their schemes." "The Microbe Gang," gasped Miss Dandelion. "Do not worry," Nurse Syrup said, patting her shoulder. "We've dealt with them before. But we will need a plan." Dr. Pill scratched his chin thoughtfully. "We will set a trap." "Nurse Syrup, can you whip up a nutrient-packed decoy? Something irresistible to those microbes." "Already on it," she replied, pulling out her bag of herbal ingredients. In no time, she mixed a vibrant concoction of multivitamins, herbs, and a hint of sweetness. They placed the decoy in an open jar on the garden shelf and hid nearby. As night fell, the Mischievous Microbe Gang emerged. Tiny and glowing faintly in the moonlight, the microbes chattered excitedly as they approached the jar. Just as they reached for the concoction, Dr. Pill leapt out. "Gotcha!" he exclaimed, wielding his trusty capsule net. Nurse Syrup followed with her antimicrobial spray, gently neutralizing the microbes without harming them. "You little troublemakers have caused enough chaos," she said, scooping them into a containment jar. The following day, Miss Dandelion was beaming as she took her vitamins from a fresh, untouched jar. "Thank you, Dr. Pill and Nurse Syrup, I feel better already." "It is what we're here for," said Dr. Pill with a smile. As they returned to their clinic, Nurse Syrup looked at her partner. "Another mystery solved. What do you think is next?" Dr. Pill chuckled. "In Remedyville, there's always another adventure around the corner." And so, the dynamic duo returned to their clinic, ready for whatever challenge came their way, knowing that with wit, care, and a little creativity, no problem was too big to solve. Thank you.